This tutorial is an overview of the toolbar buttons. These buttons give you easy access to the many Horizons features and functions. There are also more in-depth tutorials on many of these features. This is the New Chart button. Here you can change to a different saved chart or create a new chart by entering birth data. The tutorial How Do I Create a New Chart shows you step by step how to enter data. The Scoring Toolbar button shows you a graph of cities so you can compare planetary influences for different locations. In the Scoring tutorial, you'll learn how to make a list of cities that are important to you. Map themes show you where you may experience some of the power of the planets for your given chart. For example, choose the Romance theme to see the areas on the map where the planets are favorable to romance for you. The drop-down arrow of this icon shows you the available map themes. The palette part opens to the theme editor, where you can create your own themes or modify the themes provided by Horizons. The map theme tutorial goes into the details of changing and adding map themes. The Print button prints the currently displayed map to the printer. The View Map region lets you choose the home region for the Horizons map. As you move your mouse, areas on the map highlight. Click the left mouse button to select a region, or click the globe to display the world map. The Map Lines button lets you select which lines to display on the map. You can display planet angles, aspects, midpoints, and local space lines. Select Planets. Here you choose which planets to display on the map. You can select individual planets, or use the bars at the side to turn all planets off or turn all planets on. The next toolbar button is Select Aspects. Here you can choose the aspect set for the map. Select Midpoints. Choose the midpoints to display on the map. For more help on using midpoints, watch the Midpoints tutorial. You can also press F1 in any window to get online help for that window. View Parans. Parans are places where the planets of your chart cross or intersect each other. These places can be important to you. To learn more, watch the Parans tutorial. This button animates the map. You can watch the progress of your planets over time. For an in-depth discussion of how and why to use map animation, watch the Map Animation tutorial. This button zooms into the map. This button zooms out from the map. You can change the function of a left mouse click using this button. The first mode is Reset None. Use this option to reset the mouse to the default zoom in on a left mouse click. In local space mode, you can click a city to see local space lines. For more information on local space, watch the local space tutorial. Relocated wheel mode, click the left mouse button on a city to see how your chart would look from there. You can keep clicking cities because the selected mouse mode stays active until you reset the mouse or choose a different mode. In distance measure, you drag the mouse between two locations on the map to see the distance between them. Interpretation mode lets you see a mini report for any planet you might have on the location that you click. Quick Score mode lets you click a city to see the strength of planets in that area. Watch the Quick Score tutorial for more information on how to use this feature. Reset. The Directional Arrows button turns Map Mover triangles on at all sides of the map. Click these triangles to move the map within the window. And finally, the Refresh button redisplays the map. That's an overview of the Horizons toolbar buttons.